Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of QuickBooks Online and exploring how to add a check. Whether you're a small business owner, a bookkeeper, or a financial manager, understanding this process is crucial for accurate expense tracking and efficient check management. So let's get started. Before we jump into the how-to, let's first understand why streamlined check management matters. By mastering check entry in QuickBooks Online, you ensure accurate expense tracking, clear cash flow visibility, and efficient payment management. This foundational step sets the stage for effective financial management. To begin, let's log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the expense section. From the main menu, select expenses. Here you will find a range of features and settings related to the expense tracking and payment management. Now, let's dive into the process of adding a check to QuickBooks Online. Click on this new transaction button here and then check. You will be guided through a series of information fields to enter essential details about the check such as pay, date, and amount. Choose the pay you want to pay check to. Select the account. Here we are selecting the checking account. We can select the print later button here. You can see here we have a bill outstanding to this pay. We can pay this bill by selecting add here. You can see all the information is automatically filled. Adding a check also involves specifying additional details to accurately track and categorize the expense. QuickBooks Online provides flexibility to handle various types of checks, including vendor payments, employment, employee reimbursements, or other outgoing payments. QuickBooks Online allows you to streamline your check management by attaching relevant documents. We can attach digital copies of invoices, receipts, or supporting documents to check entry. This ensures easy access to all check-related information in one centralized location. Before finalizing the check entry, it is crucial to review and verify the entered information for accuracy. QuickBooks Online provides an overview of check details for your confirmation. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct, and if needed, make any necessary edits before saving the check. Now click on Save and Close. Adding a check in QuickBooks Online sets the stage for efficient check management. Congratulations, you have now mastered adding a check in QuickBooks Online. By properly entering checks, you ensure accurate expense tracking, efficient payment management, and streamlined financial processes. Remember, effective check management is key to maintaining a healthy cash flow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.